Hello everybody, Mike here. So we have the Ring Outdoor Cam. It actually does not come with something to stick it, even though they call it the stick-up cam. So I had to buy, there's accessories, the cord I bought separately, and then also thing holding it to the gutter. You wrap it around. That comes as like 2-pack. That is also sold separately. So 2 accessories, and there it is. Been very impressed with it so far. As you can see, I have it plugged in because I wanted to record 24/7. You can do the battery, and that just picks up motion, but motion doesn't always pick up people, unfortunately. But if you have it recording 24/7, you're sure to get what you need. So there it is, wrapped around the gutter. So far I've been very impressed with this thing. The notifications, I guess it's like AI enabled. These notifications are like so specific. Like you can see how specific they are, and then also the night vision. I do have a couple spotlights out there, so it does add to the picture quality, but overall, like, very impressed with this so far, and I would for sure recommend it.